Hello everyone. I hope you all are safe and sound in your home. Myself Mayank Chaturvedi, student of IIPSD ABV, and this is an Unix assignment which I have made under the guidance of Dr. Vivek Srivastav sir. This assignment generally contains the three basic commands, which is the echo command, date command, and the cal command. Echo command, which is used for displaying the message, date command, which is used for displaying the system date, whereas the cal command, which is used for displaying the calendar. Echo command. What is an echo command? An echo command is a fundamental command found in most operating systems that offer a command line. It is frequently used in scripts, batch files, and as a part of individual commands. Anywhere you may need to insert text. Many command shells such as bash, ksh, and csh implement echo as a built-in command. Syntax for the echo command is echo, then option, and then string. Some of the options which included in the echo command are: first one is the -n, which describes do not output a trailing line; -e, which says enable interpretation of backslash escape sequences; capital of -e, which says disable interpretation of backslash escape sequences; dash dash help, which says display a help message and exit; dash dash version, which says output version information and exits; double backslash, which says a literal backslash character; single backslash a, which says an alert, the bell character; backslash b, which says backspace; backslash c, which says produce no further output; backslash e, which says the escape character equivalent to pressing the escape key; backslash f, which says a form field; backslash n, which says a new line; backslash r, which says a carriage return; backslash t, which says a horizontal tab; backslash v, which says a vertical tab; backslash 0 triple n, which says byte with octal value triple n, which can be 1 to 3 digit; backslash small x capital of double H, which says byte with hexadecimal value of capital double H, which can be either 1 or 2 digit. Here are some of the examples of the echo command. Example 1, which says to print string hello world on console. So to print hello world on console, we will use the command $echo hello world. Example 2, to print the value of x where x equals to 10. So the command will be $echo $x. So in the output, there will be the value of the x variable x, that is 10. Example 3, here we will use backslash b, which is act as backspace, along with the backslash interpreter -e, which will remove all the spaces in between. So here is the command $echo -e, inverted comma के अंदर here backslash b, the space backslash b spaces space backslash b r space backslash b backspace. So in the output, all the spaces will be removed. Example 5. Here we will use the backslash t, that is a horizontal tab with backspace interpreter -e to have horizontal tab spaces. So here there will be the horizontal tab spaces in between the word of the sentence rather than the normal spaces. Similarly, in example 6, we will use backslash v, vertical tab with backspace interpreter -e. Here we will get the vertical tab spaces in between the words rather than the normal spaces. Example 7, here we will use backslash r, a carriage return with backspace interpreter -e to have specified carriage region in output. So here the content of the words that are written before the backslash r will be eliminated. Only the content that are written after the backslash r will be printed. Similarly, in example 8, backslash c suppress trailing new line with backspace interpreter -e to continue without emitting the new line. Here the content after the backslash c will be the emitted. All the content those are written before the backslash c will be printed. The next command is cal command. What is an cal command? The cal command is a command line utility for displaying a calendar in the terminal. It can be used to print a single month many months or the entire year. It supports starting the week on a Monday or a Sunday, showing Julian dates and showing calendar for arbitrary dates passed as argument. The syntax for the cal command is cal month in the square brackets and then year. Here is a description for the cal command. A single parameter specifies the 4-digit year, that is 1 to 9999 to be displayed. Two parameters denote the month, that is 1 to 12, and year 1 to 9999. If arguments are not specified, the current month is displayed. A year starts on 1st of Jan. Some of the options that can be used with the cal command is, that is minus m to display the Mondays as the first day of the week, minus j to display the Julian dates, and minus y that display a calendar for the year. Here are some of the examples of the cal command. Number one, to display the current month's calendar. For that, we can simply use $cal, which will display the current month's calendar. Similarly, example 2, to display the Feb 2015 calendar. So as to display the Feb 2015 calendar, we will use the command then cal number 2, that is the second month, and then the year 2015. This will display the second month, that is the February month calendar of the year 2015. Some more examples for the cal command are print the current year's calendar. So printing the current year's calendar, we will use the command cal minus y. We can also use cal minus y and the year number. So as it will display that year. To print the Mondays of a month in the current year, so we will use the command cal minus m June. To print the calendar of a particular month and or year, for that we will use the command cal June 2017. We can also use number in place of the June, that is cal 6 2017. Now we will see the date command. Date command is used to display the system date and time. Date command is also used to set date and time of the system. By default, the date command displays the date in the time zone on which Unix Linux operating system is configured. You must be super user to change the date and time. The syntax for the date command is date, then option, and then format. Option along with the examples for the date command. First one is date with no option. With no option, the date command displays the current date and time, including the abbreviated day name, abbreviated month name, day of the month, the time separated by columns, and the time zone name and the year. Second one is the minus U option that will display the time in GMT or the UTC time zone. The command will be $date minus U. The third one is the minus date or minus D option that will display the given date string in the format of date, but this will not affect the system actual date and time value, rather it uses the date and given time in the form of string. The syntax for this will be date, then minus date equals to string, and the command will be date minus date equals to 2/02/2010. So it will give the output as including day, the month, including the time along with the year. Fourth option is minus set option for displaying past dates, date and time of 2 years ago. The command will be $date minus date equals to 2 years ago. So the output will be of 2 years ago. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you all are safe at your home.